hated Priuses growing up. By far, like, the worst car in my mind. Yet here, this $400 car lands in my lap. Prius always gets a bad rap. It's the hippie car, it's the slow car, it's not a race car. And Gambler 500 allows the Prius to be a race car. I work for a company that makes specialized lubricants. I felt that this was a great opportunity to test my products in a $400 vehicle and have a lot of fun doing it. I didn't go easy my first time on the racetrack. Once the green flag was raised, I raced that car as fast as I could. I would push the car harder than it should have been pushed. This caused some issues. I ended up breaking the oil pan in one of the races, and I saw that the oil light came on, but we still had over 30 miles to the nearest town. I plugged the hole with a self-tapping screw and then put some JB Weld putty over the hole to seal it up as best as I could. How TriboTEX works is it fuses to the metal surfaces and it protects the metal from having metal on metal contact. So when my oil drained out, I still had this very thin film of these nanoparticles protecting my metal from any kind of wear. And the engine's still running perfectly smooth.
We open these races to everybody. We keep the classes really simple: two-wheel drive, all-wheel drive, and what we call a cheater class, which is anything bright, shiny, new. HooptieX was born from the Gambler 500. HooptieX is rallycross racing for really cheap, fun, beat-up cars. Me and my buddy Tate put together Gambler 500 in 2014. We had 14 cars, and we had just a small group of friends and said, hey, let's go do something different rather than camp for a weekend in the summer. And we said, let's go spend $500, no more, on a car. And it's really tough to find a car that runs for $500. We did it. We had 14 cars year one, 25 year three, 35 year four, then it went to 850, 1800, 2000. But it got so big that we couldn't race anymore, just for liability, so we created this.
It's exciting because you don't have to be a pro to go have a great time. You don't need $1 million to have a race car. If you have $500, a few gallons of gas, in a weekend, these races are a blast.
PT Cruiser. Look at that. Yeah.
I hate the throwaway culture, when you give up on something because it's not perfect anymore. It's about taking a vehicle that should probably be in a junkyard and giving it the chance to be a hero.